See you guys, my name is Kumar, you're watching me. Let's start tracing video without having the further delay. So basically this video is going to be the routine of 17th June 2025 and today is Tuesday. So basically in this video I'm going to share you like what is actually happening in my throughout the whole days of routine video. So yes, let's start tracing video without having any further delay. So today first of all I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, then after that I ate food, then after that I studied, then after some time later I talked to my sister, right? So at afternoon I had taken bath, then after that I wore clothes, right? Then after that I had done worship. Then what is actually happened, just a second guys. Yes, after that I went somewhere, then after some time later I came home, right? So after that I talked to my mother, then after that I ate food, then after that I had done the rest, right? So at the time of evening I ate food, and after some time later I went to the Tuesday market and came home. Again I went to the Tuesday market and again I came home. Then after some time later I went for the sleep. So yes guys, basically this is the thing what has actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner, right? So now in this video I'm gonna to revise this some taxation general laws purpose, general knowledge purpose. I'm gonna to revise, right? So let's start. So in this video I'm going to talk about source of income tax law in India, right? Source source of income tax law in India. So the Income Tax Act is regulated in 1961. Income Tax Act 1961 Act contains provisions for determination of taxable income, determination of tax liability, procedure for assessment, appeals, penalties, and prosecutions, and powers and duties of income tax authorities. So basically while studying, I got to know that basically in the 1990 or in 1990 or 1970, maybe it is about the 1990, the income tax percentage, that is 90%, government takes 90% income tax from the individual, right? So that is actually very uncommon, right? So but in today's era of time, it is around maybe I think so 30 to 40% as a normal, right? Maybe I don't know exactly about it, right? So yes, so in 1961, then 1962 income tax rules 1962, then annual amendments, right? So then circular and clarifications, annual amendments, income tax act and rules undergoes several amendments every year through the union budget. Basically to the every year the finance minister, uh, whoever the finance minister on that period of time, at this period of time, at the time of 2025 year, so the finance minister is Miss Nirmala Sitharaman. So she is actually she every year she um, tells the budget of an economy, what will be actually gonna to do from the budget. And just because of that budget which is very every year, so just because of that in taxation subject there are so many amendments happen every year, right? So yes, so here is written, every year a finance bill is presented before the parliament by the finance minister containing various amendments which are sought to be made in the areas of direct and indirect taxes levied by the central government. When the finance bill is approved by both the houses of parliament and receives the assent of the president, it becomes the Finance Act. The provisions of such Finance Act are thereafter incorporated in the Income Tax Act if on the first day of April of the assessment year. The new Finance Act has not been enacted. The provisions in force in the preceding assessment year or the provisions proposed in the finance bill before the parliament, whichever is beneficial to the assessee will apply until the new provisions become effective uh, as per section 294. So yes, maybe I think that every budget is told by in every year's budget is presented by the finance minister in uh, first of April of every year, but at the time of election it goes to the, I think, 1st of July, maybe, I think so, right? Now, circulars and clarifications by CBDT, Central Board of Direct Tax, right? So direct taxes, okay. Under section 119, the board may issue certain circulars and clarifications from time to time, which have to be followed and applied by the income tax authorities. Effect of circulars: these circulars or clarifications are binding upon the income tax authorities, but the same are not binding in the assessee. However, assessee can claim benefit under such circulars. Note: these circulars are not binding on the income tax appellate tribunal or on the courts. Now, basically, now after that Supreme, the first, if something is taxation is happening and you want to, maybe if somebody want to, maybe I don't know exactly about it, maybe if somebody want to file something complaint, then he should go first the assessing officer of tax, very subordinate level, right? Maybe I think so. Then if not happen from, if something not happen, right, then they go on to the upper level, that is commissioner of income tax appeals. Then from this, the high level is income tax appellate tribunal, ITAT. If not happen something, if you are not get justice, then you can go to the high court, and after the high court you can go to the Supreme Court, right? So yes, now here is a two concept, that is what is previous year and what is assessment year, right? So previous year is a year where a company or an organization earned money, right? And the assessment year is the year immediately after the previous year is called the assessment year, right? So the definition, if I learn from the, if I read it from here, that is, previous year means the financial year immediately preceding the assessment year. Income earned in a year is assessed in the next year. The year in which income is earned is known as previous year, and the next year in which income is assessed is known as assessment year. It is mandatory for all assessors to follow financial year from 1st April to 31st March as previous year for income tax purpose. Tax point: the first previous year may be a period of less than 12 months, like in case where a business or profession is newly set up. The previous year starts from the date of commencement of the new business. However, next and subsequent previous year shall always be a period of 12 months. In any case, previous year cannot exceed a period of 12 months. Okay, understood. Most of you, I think so. Now, assessment year definition. Okay. Assessment year means the period of 12 months commencing on the first day of April every year. It is the year just after the previous year in which income earned in the previous year is charged to tax. Example: uh, assessment year 2021. In a year which commences on 1st April 2022 and ends on 31st March 2021, income of an assessee earned on the previous year, that is 1920, is assessed in the assessment year 2021. Okay. Duration: period of 12 months starting from 1st April. Relation with previous year: it falls immediately after the previous year. Purpose: the income of a previous year is assessed and taxable in the immediately following assessment year. So basically it is simple, that is in a previous year what we have actually earned. So that whatever we earned the amount in previous year, now we are liable to pay the tax because we earned amount, right, in the previous year. So that taxable amount, the amount what we have earned, so we have to put tax on certain percentage, then that taxes amount we have to pay in the assessment year, right? So yeah, this is the simple concept what we have to know that. So I think that, guys, it is all enough for today. So in the upcoming videos I would like to discuss or more concept or more basic concept. I think this is all the basic or general knowledge purpose. I think it is all good. So in the upcoming video I would like to discuss all more topic of the taxation. So I think that guys it is all enough for you guys. So let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.